Hey everybody, Jim Watson, aka Joe Welder. Welcome to Arc-Zone.com. Today we're super excited to bring to you the Optrel helmet line. Now Optrel is an amazing company based in Switzerland. Today we're going to talk about the Crystal View 2.0, and as the box says here, you won't believe your eyes. The lens technology is that good. Crystal View 2.0 from Optrel, and again, Optrel helmets are made in Switzerland. They're designed and engineered and manufactured in Switzerland. So like a fine Swiss watch, super high quality. So the helmet features a comfortable headgear. Sweat bands and that are removable so you can wash them, and fully adjustable. You've got the sensitivity adjustment here, which you can adjust when you're at your workbench without raising or lowering your hood. You strike an arc and fine tune the sensitivity adjustment that suits your job in the application. There's also a cut and grind mode and a red light on the inside of the helmet that clearly, lets you know that you're in grind mode. As noted, it's a crystal lens technology. And again, this is a 2.0, super light, comfortable, and a tremendous investment. And I think it's really important to keep in mind, the value of a good quality helmet. It's not something that goes out of style. You invest in a good helmet, protects your eyes, and greatly improves your weld quality because you can see the weld much better. These helmets come with a bag to protect the helmet, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a spare shield. So, Crystal View 2.0 helmet from Optrel, super stoked about that. Adding that to the Arc-Zone line. You can go to Arc-Zone.com and search welding helmets. You can look up some useful and informative white papers that we've written, eye care for welders, and how to choose welding helmets. Alternatively, you can go to our blog, Welder.com, and search Optrel helmet. We're super excited to add the Optrel line. We have the Crystal 2.0, we have the Vega View 2.5, and we have the Panoramax CLT. And again, these are high quality helmets, Swiss made.